Welcome back to the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Today is June 27th, 2017. Taking a look at our current solar conditions right now, our solar wind speed is sitting right at 460.9 kilometers per second, with a density of about 4.9. Still looking at sunspot region AR 2664, sunspot number 19. It poses no threats for any solar flares. Our KP indices are quiet as well, sitting at 1 with a 24-hour max of 2. So we are definitely quiet. And as you look at the SDO, any coronal holes that we had are now turning away from Earth, and things are getting quiet once again, folks. And speaking of quiet, here on SPACEWEATHER.com, they write, geomagnetic activity is expected to be low for the next 2 days, June 27th and June 28th, as Earth exits a stream of solar wind. On the third day, June 29th, our planet's magnetic field could become unsettled again with a new stream of solar wind arise. Deep sky auroras, visible to cameras but not to the naked eye, are possible later this week. And taking a look at our weather, we still have some heat warnings and watches out west, and there is a chance for some severe weather today in the middle of our country. Mari?
Thank you, Jake. Hey, everyone. As you know, we followed the tropical storm Cindy last week. We posted a video showing some of the damage that people have gone through. I haven't heard a lot of discussion on the news following up about the damages. I just want to go through a couple articles. Here's an article from Houston County, Alabama, a local news station. Tropical Storm Cindy was a deadly and destructive storm, but its long-term effects from the significant rainfall are what some farmers are concerned about. One farmer lost 30 to 40% of his tomato and watermelon crops, which was about a $10,000 loss. That's just one farmer. Who knows how many are affected? The article goes on to discuss it's not only an economic loss, but any tropical weather that we get in the future can cause disease to the crops. I'll go ahead and put the link below. I just want to review a couple other news articles here on agrimoney.com, titled right here, U.S. crop deterioration lifts cotton and soy prices. And that's one of the reasons why we're here on Grand Solar Minimum, is just to gain awareness so people can have a chance to prepare themselves for the future. You know, if you have crop failures worldwide and prices are skyrocketing, you know, and the weather isn't really forecasted to get any better, what are we doing as a society to be more stable, to be stronger as a whole? So awareness is key, and coming together as a community and discussing this and sharing our ideas is really important. Let's go on to a couple more articles. I just want to highlight them. Clemson reports downy mildew detected on South Carolina watermelons. Downy mildew has been reported on watermelons in Alabama and Georgia. When Tropical Storm Cindy went through those two states, it picked up the downy mildew spores, carried them, and dropped the spores on South Carolina watermelons. That's just another crop suffering. Here's another one. The heavy rain floods soybean crops in Tuscaloosa in Alabama. The farmer said that the tropical storm dumped 10 inches of rain in 5 days, leaving his corn crops healthier, but 20 acres of his soybean crop 3 feet underwater. The Alabama governor, Kay Ivey, is asking for federal assistance for farmers because of crop losses from Tropical Storm Cindy. High winds in Kansas create concerns about green snap. Some of the storms and extremely high winds this spring have caused significant stalk breakage in the cornfields. In these kinds of storms, it's not unusual to have up to 40% of the stalks in some fields broken at ground level. And finally, are wheat prices about to wake up? This is on agweb.com. They're forecasting wheat prices to go up, and this comes to no surprise to our viewers as we are following all the crazy weather and the changes on our planet. I'll put the links below. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be here to discuss ways to adapt, change, and thrive on the Grand Solar Minimum channel.
All right, that's going to do it for today, folks. Please like and share. We'll talk soon.